Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to replace laser or scanner unit in 1020 printer. In 1020 printer. When we have to replace the scanner unit, if you are getting dull printout or one side letters are okay, other sides are empty and center empty, both sides are okay and right side is okay, left side is not okay, this type of situation you have to replace the scanner unit or laser unit. Sometimes you will get black shades or fully black. Black shades are fully black. In that situation, you have to replace the scanner unit. You have to replace the laser or scanner unit. So, how to replace the laser and scanner unit? For this, I purchased the new scanner unit and ordered. So, I am going to open this. This is the scanner unit. Yeah. See here, this is the new scanner unit. I am going to replace into our printer. Okay, this is the new scanner unit or laser unit, right? So first, I am going to open this and this two sides door. I am going to open. For this, I am going to open one screw, two screws here, one screw here, right? Okay, so use this sharp screwdriver, remove the screw first, right? Then here two screws, right? But here only one screw is enough, I think so. You need not open two screws, only one screw if you open. Okay, just open this door and open this also. Sometimes if you give which is not coming, so take this one minus and just lift this area, then just lift this area, then the door will come. Even if it not comes, then go back side, just lift, it will come. So after opening the two side doors, left and right side doors, you have to open the front side. For this, just turn like this, using this minus. See, exactly here. Don't use center, just use here, just lift up. Here also, you just lift up, right? Then open this front cover, that is top cover. Then remove this and use this minus. Then lift here. Right, that's all. So this front cover we removed the front cover, right? Then now we are going to open this laser unit section. For this, which is having 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws which is there. So I am going to open these 4 screws. after opening this, take one lengthy minus. See, that is very important. This is the very critical area. See here. So there will be one knob. Just if you press, yeah, that's all. Likewise, here also one knob. You have to press like this. Yeah, that's all. If you press, then this cover, this scanner unit cover will come. Then only, if you press, then only the scanner unit cover will come. Right? Okay. Right? Then this is the engine board. Engine board is having one cable. You have to remove this cable very carefully. So you have to catch like this. You have to grip like this. Then you have to just remove one side, then another side, right? Okay. Then take this top ribbon cable. And remove like this, right? Okay. And one screw is here. Just remove the screw. Unscrew them. See here. Yeah. Unscrew this. Then take this engine board. Keep carefully and remove this cable. This is connected with the laser unit, right? And laser unit is having 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to remove the 4 screws. One, 2, 3, 4, right? Then take out this is the old laser unit which is faulty. This laser unit is giving both side shades. So I am going to clean this. So clean this. Using one wet cloth, clean this area. Use the wet cloth. It will remove the dust, everything. Right? Okay? Right. Then take the new laser unit. This is the new laser unit. I am going to keep like this. Just if you move left and right, it will get seat. Yeah. So it will get seat. So you have to fix the 4 screws. Diagonally, first fix the screw. One screw here, another screw here. Diagonally fix the screw. Make it tight. Make it tight. Yeah, right. Then take this engine board. and fix this cable. See, fix this cable. Do it patiently and take this and bring this and keep like this and bring engine, right? Yeah, properly fix this. Yeah, then take this cable and properly place. Yeah, right? Fix one screw there. Right? Fix one screw here, right? Now fix this cable. This is very important cable, right? You have to carefully handle this cable. Yeah, this is very carefully you have to fix this cable. This is very important cable. This is engine board. This is engine board. I am going to clean this engine board. Okay, right? Finished. Then I am going to fix this cover, clean this cover internally, right? Okay, and clean properly. See here, I am going to fix this. Yeah, you have to get some click sound that shows which is corrected, which is fixed properly, Now I am going to screw them, right? There are 4 screws, one here, one here, and one here, and one here. There are 4 screws. After connecting, right, clean little bit, right, place the front cover. See, first fix this area, right, first fix this area, then cover this, then come to here, then just press one, make one, that's all. Okay, place that cover, front cover, then side doors, and this side door. Okay. And make screw. That's all, my dear viewers. This is the way to replace the old laser unit or scanner unit with a new laser unit or scanner unit. So you have to do it patiently. While opening the laser unit cover, you know, that metal piece. So you have to take little bit risk. Then only it will get open. That is the difficult parts in these operations. Okay. So please follow the video patiently and gradually and slowly, then surely you can succeed this operation. After succeeding, enjoy your printout. Okay, if you like this video, put like, share my videos to your friends and relatives and neighbors. Let them share to their friends and relatives, neighbor. Let it goes by chain. Please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe only, I can then only you can get new videos of my sequence, right? Also, I have released more videos regarding laser cartridges refilling, ink cartridges refilling. All laser cartridges and ink cartridges, color and black, I have released more videos. Also, every day I used to give videos regarding laptop and printer and desktop service and problem solving solutions. Everything I used to give, I am giving. So please subscribe my channel. Thanking you. We will see in the next video with the next solution. Have a nice day. Welcome.